TRD Off-Road. I had a lot of people this last video, probably like 3 videos ago, ask, hey, let's post up some video or some pictures of the vehicle when it's all done, just so we can see the before and after. So this was a stock premium without KDSS. It had the factory alloy wheels. It did not have the running boards on it. We did put the 2021 TRD Pro 4Runner wheels on it. We did go back to the Terra Grappler G2s, the factory TRD Pro wheel or tires, 265 70 17. And if you look at the vehicle, it's this level front to back. So all we did in this truck was our lower preload collar on this. That's all it has. So we're able to get it to level out front to back. It brought up the front, just it's literally a 1/4 inch higher in the back than the front with a full tank of gas the way it sits. So it came out really, really good. We also did the front grille, the factory TRD Pro upper garnishment, and then we did the lower bumper garnishment here. And then when you do the upper garnishment, you have to do the grille replacement here. We did the factory TRD Pro skid plate here on it, and then we did the rear bumper lower garnishment as well. And then what we did is all the factory emblems, we blacked them all out. All the side emblems here, blacked out the side emblems here, blacked out the rear emblems right here, and then there is the lower bumper garnishment like we talked about. But you can see the transformation on this truck. It looks really good. We even did the exhaust tip in black to just kind of finish it off to look clean with all the other stuff. We didn't want it to stand out. We wanted it just to be a clean look. So we just finished this up, and we wanted to share it with you. So thanks again for watching our video, and we hope you enjoy it, and please reach out with any questions you may have. Thank you. Bye-bye.